As a homeowner in Redmond, you're likely concerned with keeping your home comfortable, reducing energy costs, and making eco-friendly choices. One of the most effective and impactful ways to achieve these goals is by upgrading your windows. Window replacement is an investment that can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency, helping you save on heating and cooling costs while enhancing comfort year-round. In this article, we'll explore how window replacement in Redmond can boost your home's energy performance and offer long-term benefits for both your wallet and the environment. Reducing heat loss and gain. In Redmond, the weather can be quite variable, with chilly winters and warm summers. One of the key contributors to high energy bills in your home can be heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer through inefficient windows. Older windows, especially single-pane glass, are often poorly insulated and allow a significant amount of heat to escape during colder months and enter during the hotter months. When you replace your windows with energy-efficient models, you can drastically reduce this heat transfer. Modern windows feature double or triple glazing, which uses multiple panes of glass separated by a gas-filled space, such as argon or krypton. This design acts as a thermal barrier, significantly improving insulation and reducing heat flow. By minimizing heat loss in winter and keeping unwanted heat out during the summer, energy-efficient windows help maintain a comfortable temperature in your home without overworking your heating and cooling systems. This not only makes your home more energy efficient but also reduces your monthly energy bills. Improved insulation and comfort. Proper insulation is essential for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment, and window replacement plays a crucial role in achieving this. Older windows can develop cracks or gaps that let in drafts, leading to inconsistent temperatures inside your home. This can cause rooms to feel colder or hotter than others, making your home less comfortable overall. Energy-efficient windows, especially those equipped with low-E glass, low emissivity coatings, reflect heat and block UV rays, creating a more consistent indoor temperature. The improved insulation reduces the risk of cold spots in the winter and warm spots in the summer, making your home feel more comfortable year-round. With better sealed windows and improved thermal performance, you'll no longer need to rely as heavily on air conditioning or heating systems to maintain a pleasant atmosphere, which means you'll experience fewer temperature fluctuations and lower energy usage. Lower energy bills. Replacing old, inefficient windows with energy-efficient models can have a noticeable impact on your monthly energy costs. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, windows are responsible for a significant amount of energy loss in the average home, often accounting for up to 30% of heating and cooling costs. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, Redmond homeowners can reduce this energy loss, leading to lower utility bills. Though window replacement may involve an upfront investment, the energy savings over time will offset the cost. Many homeowners find that they recoup the expense of window replacement within just a few years through reduced heating and cooling costs. In addition, some types of energy-efficient windows may qualify for rebates or tax incentives, further lowering the overall cost of the installation and making the upgrade even more cost-effective. UV protection and reduced fading. Another often overlooked benefit of energy-efficient windows is the ability to block UV rays. Ultraviolet light can cause significant damage to your furniture, flooring, and artwork over time. Fading is a common issue, especially in homes with large windows that let in a lot of sunlight. Many energy-efficient windows come with low E coatings that block a substantial amount of harmful UV rays, helping to protect your interior from fading. This additional layer of protection ensures that your home's interior is not only more comfortable but also better preserved, reducing the need for frequent repairs or replacements of faded materials. Enhanced sound insulation. Energy-efficient windows aren't just good for thermal insulation, they can also help with noise reduction. If you live near a busy street, a school, or a high-traffic area in Redmond, you may experience unwanted noise in your home, which can disrupt your peace and quiet. Double or triple glazed windows with laminated glass act as a barrier to sound, reducing the amount of external noise that enters your home. This makes your home quieter and more peaceful, creating an ideal environment for relaxation or work. Whether it's the hum of traffic or noisy neighbors, energy-efficient windows help you maintain a serene indoor atmosphere. Increased home value. Home improvements that improve energy efficiency are highly desirable to potential buyers. If you plan to sell your home in the future, window replacement is a smart investment that can increase your property's value. Energy-efficient windows are seen as a modern, cost-effective feature by many buyers, particularly those who are looking for homes with low maintenance and lower energy costs. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you not only enhance your home's marketability but also provide a long-term benefit to potential buyers, which could translate to a higher sale price when the time comes to move. Environmental impact. Lastly, replacing your windows with energy-efficient models is a great way to reduce your home's carbon footprint. By decreasing your home's energy consumption, you're contributing to a more sustainable environment. Reduced energy use means less reliance on non-renewable resources, helping to lower overall greenhouse gas emissions. This eco-friendly choice is especially important for homeowners in Redmond who are focused on making sustainable choices for the planet. Not only will you save on energy costs, but you'll also be doing your part to reduce your environmental impact. Conclusion. Window replacement in Redmond offers a wide range of benefits that go far beyond just enhancing your home's appearance. From lower energy bills and improved comfort to noise reduction, UV protection, and increased home value, upgrading to energy-efficient windows is a wise investment for homeowners who want to enjoy a more comfortable, cost-effective, and sustainable living environment. The long-term savings, environmental benefits, and improved quality of life make energy-efficient windows a top choice for homeowners in Redmond.